Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to add a photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open phone, then you have to go to contact, select contact which you want to add a photo, then you tap on the pencil icon here to edit it, then you tap on the camera icon here to add a photo to it. Then you have to select if you want to take photo on place or if you want to choose already gotten photo. Let's choose photo. Then you open and select your photo. Adjust it here and just tap done here. And as you can see, photo added. Save all settings here, and now our contact has photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.